Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This is Nazmul Islam from ClassyDevs. In this tutorial, I will show you how to clear cache in PrestaShop. So let's get started. Before starting, let's know some question which is very important to know. The first question is, what is cache? The cache is one kind of reserved storage that usually collects temporary data. It is temporary storage used by website, browsers, apps to make them fast loading. Usually, a web browser stores the data like website images, documents for fast viewing in the future. So you don't need to re-download the images, documents each time for viewing the website or app. The second question is, why do you need to clear the cache in PrestaShop? If you are working on the back office like adding a new module, editing the code, change the SSL, then clear the cache will help you to get the update change. Otherwise, the cache will show you the old data. So this is very important to clear the cache when you have changed something in the back office. How can you clear the cache in PrestaShop? To clear the cache, you don't need to install a module in PrestaShop. Instead, you can clear the cache in two ways. Clear cache from the back office and clear the cache from the hosting or the cPanel. Clear cache from the back office. So at first, you have to log into the back office, then go to the advanced parameter. And here you can see the performance, click over it. Now here you can see the clear cache. So just click over it. So this is very simple process to clear the cache from the back office. So let's see how can we clear the cache from the hosting server. When you are not able to log into the back office, in that case, you have to clear the cache from the hosting server. So this is why we have first log into our hosting server, and now we have to find out the file manager here and then click over it. Now we have to find out where we have installed our PrestaShop. So there we have installed our PrestaShop, just click over it, and now here find out the bar folder. So this is the bar folder, so click over it, and here you can see the cache. Just select this cache and you can see the delete button here. So click delete button, and here skip the trash, permanently delete the file. So we want to permanently delete this file and click the confirm button. So this is delete from the hosting server. This is how we can clear the cache from the hosting server. If you want, you can disable the cache from the back office, then it will not interfere with your work. So let's see how can you disable the cache from the back office. At first, go to the advanced parameter, and here you can see the performance, click over it. Template compilation, here you can see the force compilation. So keep it the force compilation here. Cache is here, yes, but keep it no. And click the save. Go to the bottom section. Caching, use cache is currently no. So keep it no. And this is how we can disable the cache from the back office.
This is all about our tutorial. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you have any question, please leave a comment, and please subscribe our channel. Keep watching videos to learn more about PrestaShop. Bye bye.